Aborokiwa mona bayibuli nigo bagendrete kurwa ibirengere byabo ekerokeria abana bagendrete kumanyigwa igoro ejeki kiriba guchikoba asama tukale bosi ekero bagendrete konyora amasomo abo asiri tukuriya rero moyego moni nigo kolekana seskuru yabo iseke ya Sironga asa aborokiwa bu banyara gosemigwa enchira barachikomya asama tukale bosiyo anene chikosi chiri barachie gosomera.
Omwego yogo korawa na Dr. Rosi Korwase University ya Kisii ni gateru na nerebuya aborokiwa kwewa oboseme bwa mapema eliyokomanya buna ningikere bamwento gukora ekero bakure secondary gose basase chi university eliyokoba konya na kumanya ninkibaganite koba ekero bakure chi skuru.
Omurikito Korwase County ya Nyamira jobu mangire kene skuru yabo iseke ya Sironga na gutwariganira roboti rokobwatia.
Ekera aborokio bakorete amatemo a KCSE omwaka oeta bagendrete gochora chikos ao nigesegeto yarurgo chiase chisukuru korwa amagerio gochiasa abana kibale abake yuremere mubara chigokora.
And they've done well academically, and the issue of coming here was to just prepare them, because a prepared mind is always ready to meet success. We have to tell them to prepare.
It's important that the young girls choose their career early before they get into the candidates class.
Ainiga kwanwa ase skuru y'Kinyaruka ya Sironga egotoka ase County Nyamira asomo sangerekano oaliganu na aborokia Korwase University ya Kisii bakorona Dr. Rose ase basanga na aborokio barase form 3.
Most of the time we find that students go through a school system and then the emphasis on career comes in form 4. But in Sironga Girls, we do it differently. They have been mentored. We have talked to them about career development, about discipline, about diligence.
Aborokiwa mbasemiwa igoro byobogo twara chimbwa chingia na gokora omokia ase chisemi.
That we don't just want good grades, but we also want good grades with character.
Because without character, then education is meaningless. We can have them all score A's, and we found them in the doldrums of life where they've lost it in terms of character. They are not able to stand for themselves. They can't make the right choices, and that is a waste.
Abayibuli mbasa bogotegerera abana babo igeremere mu baganete gokora nakoba obosemya boisaine.
Let them choose those careers that they feel that they will be best at. So that would be my advice to parents. But at the same time, I would also request the young people in secondary schools that sometimes parents also give their parental guidance. I've worked before the students. They should also listen to them.
Omokonyi bomorokia omonene otenenerete orosagero echisemi gwantai Aaron nate baborokio mbabwendete kwegwa amagerio bali abake igoremere mubagane chigo chigokora.
Say that career guidance in our school is a continuous process which begins in Form 1 up to Form 4. And I will urge my colleague teachers across the country, wherever they are, they can benchmark that one from us and also practice it in their centers so that we can be able to inform our learners so that they do not make mistakes when it comes to career choices.
Aborokio beskuru ya Sironga mbachengera amageria yo nagote abanachiko bakonya asamagimabo anene mono igoremere mubagane chigokora.
Visitors who have visited us have impacted positively in us in our choice of careers. We've been prepared to choose well, as we all know that chance favors a prepared mind. So I would urge everybody out there to guide the upcoming minds, the great potential of tomorrow on careers.
I learned a lot today, but especially what I learned mostly is to go for your potential. I would like to become a neonatologist, dealing in pediatrics and child health. So I would like to encourage the people out there to go for their potential. And as my colleague had said, the sky is not the limit, but the sky is the floor.
What I've learned today is that let us get out of our comfort zone and let us reach beyond the sky.
Yenko reporter ya Ndizi TV Korwase siku ya Sironga egotoka ime County Nyamira Job Maangi.